Question 9, we have three functions here, f of x and gx and hx, okay? In part A, find f4. f4, we will go to the function f and we will replace any x with 4. So this will be 2, x means 4, 2 times 4 minus 3, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, okay? And about the second part, hg3, okay? hg means h after doing g, so we will find g3 first. G is here, 9 minus x squared, so if we replace this x by 3, it will be g3 equals 9 minus 3 in bracket, okay, squared. 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, so we need to find h of 0, okay? Here, this is a function h is 3 to power x, so we will replace this x by 0, is 3 to power 0, 3 to power 0 is equals 1, sure, okay? In the next part, need to find g2x in its simplest form. G is here 9 minus x squared, so you will replace x by 2x, okay? This equal 9 minus remove x and put 2x, so will be 2x all to power 2, 2x all power 2. This will be 9 minus 2 square is 4 and x square, okay? So will be 9 minus 4x squared. This is a final answer, okay? In this part, need to f of g x in its simplest form. This means f composite function, okay? We will make f after g, okay? So gx, we will write it as like that, f of gx equals, okay, keep f here and put the function of gx here, okay? Gx is 9 minus x squared, okay, 9 minus x squared. This equal, so we need to go to the f function and replace any x with 9 minus x squared. fx is here, 2x minus 3, so we will remove this x and put 9 minus x squared, okay? This equal 2 times 9 minus x squared, because it before was 2x, okay? We removed x and put 9 minus x squared, and then in the function f, 2x minus 3 is minus 3. In its simplest form, we will simplify 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 minus 3 is 15, okay? And 2 times negative x squared is negative 2x squared. So the simplest form of this composite function will be 15 minus 2x squared. In the next part, find f minus 1x, the inverse function of x. Okay, it's easy. This function of x here is 2x minus 3, so we will write it as y equals 2x minus 3. So after that we will replace y with x, okay? So this y will be x equals 2 and x will be y, 2y minus 3, okay? Now keep this 2y here in the right, and here you have x. Move this minus 3 to the left hand side by positive 3, so x plus 3, then divide by 2 to cancel this 2. This y equals x plus 3 all divided by 2, so this will be the final answer, x plus 3 all over 2. In this part C, okay, find x when 5 of fx equal 3. Okay, 5 of fx equal 3. Oh, we know fx is 2x minus 3, so 5 times, replace this fx by its expression, it's 2x minus 3, this will be equal 3. Okay, we will simplify. 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times negative 3 is minus 15 equals 3. Move this negative 15 to right hand side, is 10x equals 3 plus 15 is 18. So if we divide by 10 both sides, x will be 1.8, right? Okay. In part B, solve the equation g f x equal negative 16. G f x means g after f. Okay, so we will keep g outside here and put f of x inside. This will be equal negative 16. Okay, g fx, we know it's equal to x minus 3, so put here 2x minus 3, this equals negative 16. Okay, now we will go to the function g. This function here is 9 minus x squared. We will replace this x here by this value to x minus 3. Okay, so 9 minus, this is we are now working in the function g, 9 minus x squared, it will be 9 minus, we remove x and put 2x minus 3 all squared, this equals negative 16 here. Okay, okay, we will keep this 9 minus this bracket power 2 here, we will expand 2x squared means 4x squared here. Okay, the first term times the second term times 2, 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x, and another minus 6x is minus 12x, then negative 3 squared is positive 9. Okay, and close the bracket, this equals negative 16. Okay, now this negative sign before the bracket will change the sign of all terms inside. So here 9 minus 4x squared, this negative 12 will be positive 12x, and this positive 9 will be negative 9, this equals negative 16. You can cancel this, cancel out this 9 with this negative 9. Okay, and now we have minus 4x squared plus 12x. We will bring this negative 16 to the left hand side by positive sign, so will be plus 16, this all equal 0. Okay, we will complete our work here. Now we can, here you have negative 4 and here's 12 and here's 16, we can divide all the equation by negative 4. Okay, so negative 4 by negative 4 is x squared 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3x, okay, and 16 divided by negative 4 is minus 4. This equals 0. We will factorize this expression now. It will be this 4 is 1 times 4, and one of them will be negative. We can see here that the middle term coefficient is negative, so we will use this negative for the biggest number here, 4, and this will be positive. So this expression in the left hand side factorized by two factors like that, x plus 1 times x minus 4. This means that x plus 1 equals 0, so x equals negative 1, or x minus 4 equals 0, so x equals 4. So the two values of x here will be negative 1 and 4. Okay, in the last part of this question here, find x when h minus 1x equals negative 2. To calculate this is for 1 mark only. So we know the function of hx, it was 3 to power x, 3 to power x. So what's the value we can put, or we can replace this x by negative 2, so 3 to power negative 2, it will be 1 over 9. Okay, so the value here required will be 1 over 9. Okay.